Hey guys, welcome to the another day of my Alberta series. Today we are going to Spirit Island.
ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਲੋਕ ਆਏ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਪੁੱਛ ਰਹੇ ਘੁੰਮ ਕੇ ਆਈਏ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਪੈਸੇ ਲਾਏ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਦੱਸੋ
reservations. They burnt their houses down and they took their children to residential schools. So it's a very dark history we have with the Indigenous in Canada.
Monday 31st July we are going to Jasper now. We will show you how to reach.
not on time
Not on time.
We will show you how to reach not on time.
We were supposed to leave 4 hours early.
As we are going there, let me tell you something crazy about Spirit Island. So अभी तो हम क्रूज से वहाँ जाएंगे शिप से, तो 30-35 मिनट्स लगेंगे मोस्टली. बट जब विंटर्स आती है और पूरी लेक फ्रीज़ हो जाती है तो हम वहाँ पे वॉक करके जा सकते हैं. अभी ये थोड़ा अलग सा लगता है आइलैंड, लेकिन जब विंटर्स होती है तो दीज ऑल आर कनेक्टेड.
Welcome to the beautiful Maligne Lake here in Jasper National Park. Has anybody been here before? No? So I have no fact checkers on board. I can say whatever I want, you just have to believe me. Awesome. Don't worry. I will be truthful. Next question. Does anybody know where we're headed to today? Nobody knows? A couple people do? Just bought a ticket, hopped on a boat with two strangers off into the open water. Your adventurous spirit will fit in perfectly here. We have the world famous, Alberta famous, Maligne Lake famous, probably the very best captain we have here on the lake. We're all very lucky today. This is Captain Jordan. Can we all give it up for Captain Jordan? Oh, that's awkward. She is used to a standing ovation.
So now, can you imagine, जो मैं पहले बता रहा था कि जब विंटर्स होगी ब्ला ब्ला पानी जम जाएगा. जस्ट इमेजिन अभी जितना भी पानी आपको दिख रहा है इस टाइम पे, यहाँ पे शिप्स चल रही हैं, क्रूज चल रही हैं, इवन लोग कायाक कर रहे हैं. बट विंटर्स आते ही एवरीथिंग विल फ्रीज. यू विल सी नथिंग, जस्ट आइस, और लोग वहाँ से पैदल चले जाएंगे स्पिरिट आइलैंड पे.
Queen Elizabeth Range on the right hand side. For her coronation in 1953, Canada gifted this to the Queen with a gift for the woman who has it all. All the fancy dogs, all the fancy houses, all the fancy dresses. They came up with one thing because they knew that women like big rocks. I do believe they got a little bit confused as they gave her a massive pile of rocks in the middle of nowhere.
if you go to the Spirit Island, there is a small trail where you can see the actual beauty of Spirit Island.
Let's go guys. Spirit Island. ਪਤਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਿਹੋ ਜਿਹੇ ਲੋਕ ਆਏ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਪੁੱਛ ਰਹੇ ਘੁੰਮ ਕੇ ਆਈਏ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਕਿਉਂ ਪੈਸੇ ਲਾਏ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਦੱਸੋ गाइस ਅਸੀਂ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ ਵਾਪਸ
So at this time, I would like to acknowledge that we are currently on First Nations lands today, including the Stoney, Cree, and Blackfoot. We will be talking about the Stonies today, mainly because we have a modern working relationship with them. So the Stonies resided along the Athabasca Valley, but it was in 1907 that they were forcibly removed. We'll have a small weight crossing here. 1907 they were forcibly removed because Jasper was becoming a forest park reserve. So they removed all Indigenous presence off the land, and they were removed about 300 kilometers outside of Jasper onto reservations. They burnt their houses down, and they took their children to residential schools. So it's a very dark history we have with the Indigenous in Canada, but it is always necessary to have this conversation on the tours since we would not be here without them. So it actually wasn't until 2016 that the Stonies were able to come back to Spirit Island to perform many different sacred ceremonies, including coming of age, peace pipe, and healing ceremonies. While they were being removed, that was also ripped away from them. It's like their church, Spirit Island. So 2016, they were finally able to come back to their sacred space. So they asked Parks Canada as well as Pursuit, which is our company, if they would be able to come back and if we could provide transportation. Of course, we all happily agreed, and two lucky boat captains got to take these Stonies out to Spirit Island to perform that first ceremony in over 100 years. Now, since then, these Stonies come back annually to do workshops with us boat captains. They teach us about their history, their culture, and their language. All of their culture is by word of mouth. Anything that we wanted to learn would have to be specifically from those individuals. They teach us little bit by little bit every single year, so we can teach all of you these small things. So I do want to teach you all just one word in the Stoney language, which is ish-me-ish. Ish-me-ish. Ish-me-ish is thank you in Stoney. So ish-me-ish, we're staying sacred space, respecting their history, and listening to me ramble on for about 45 minutes of your life. We all appreciate it. Thank you all very much.
It was an amazing trip, and now we are going back home. I'll get back with another video. Till then, please take care of yourself and goodbye.